What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. The weather here is pretty bad. It's actually raining and I'm on some drag radials, so we're gonna have some fun today and hopefully we make it all the way to the shop. So what we're gonna do in today's video is we're gonna install the ultimate stop hop kit from Steeda. Shout out to Jigger for hooking me up. Great people, great customer service. I'm gonna leave a link for the kit in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. So let me show you guys real quick what I got and then we're gonna head to the shop. Let's open the trunk. All right, here's everything. And we got more over there. I barely squeezed them in there. I'll show you guys a little bit more once we get to the shop. So we have a 20-minute ride in the rain with a drag setup. How awesome is that? All right, guys, we are pulling up right now. There's a few cars out here. We got a Hellcat and another Hellcat. So we'll go in there and get those done. All right, guys, so I made it here safe. And now we're gonna get the Mustang in the garage. Good in the rain. So let me show you guys real quick. This kit is from Steeda. So here we got the subframe brace. All the parts you need right here with the instructions as well. And then here you got more parts. Let's see what this thing is. Here is the rear toe link. There it is. And instructions bolts. Here we got the vertical link right there. Instructions as well. And then here we got the subframe bushing support system. And then we got the alignment kit. This goes with this. All this is the ultimate stop hop kit from Steeda. So I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure you guys check them out. Everything is gonna get put on to the Mustang. So there's a few reasons why I got this kit. One, it's gonna make my car a lot better to drive around and to go from a dig. It also eliminates it from braking from a dead stop, and also I can launch it harder. And another major reason why I really got it is there's this hop that happens and like the wheels kind of skid at the 8th mile when it shifts because it shifts so hard. So this kit is definitely going to eliminate that, and I'm just excited to show you guys the before and after of how it feels and the difference it makes. So I'll keep you guys updated, but we're about to get this kit installed and I'll kind of show you guys how to install it with the help of my friend Rames at the shop. I'm gonna put their Instagram right here. Make sure you guys go check them out if you need anything done. I mean literally anything done to your car. Make sure you hit them up and tell them I sent you. Also check out the shop car. They have a GTR. This thing is a serious car. I'll show you guys. Red with a black hood. Also check out these wheels. These are pretty much similar to what I'm gonna put on my Mustang. Literally, they're the same thing. Alright, we're getting the car up there. So a few things we gotta replace is this piece right here. And that piece right there. And on the other side as well. Right there. We're gonna start with that first. First things first. We're gonna take these wheels off. So we got both sides off. So we're gonna get this installed first. just unbolted that right here. These are both gonna get unbolted, and then we're gonna replace this piece right here. I'll show you guys. So here is what's on the car, and here's what we're gonna put on the car, and that was right here.
So you see the bushings, the rubber part right there? This is way tighter than this. So basically, you'll see a little bit of play here, but here you won't. It's just solid.
Exactly. So just everything's just more solid.
Yes.
We're about to get that installed. Alright guys, so this side is all done. Let me show you guys. So, old, new. Alright, got the other side out. Trying to put the new one in. So we got the other side all installed, as you can see. Right there. So we raised the car up, and now we're gonna get everything done from under the car. This piece coming off.
So this is your alignment bolt basically. So if somebody was to adjust the toe on the car, they would do it through here.
Oh, that's where I need to go to get the alignment. Taking more crap off this car.
See, with these bolts, you're gonna eliminate that adjustable bolt, and then you're just gonna adjust it through
here.
Yep. So instead of the toe being adjusted this way from this toe bolt,
now you can just adjust it from right here. Alright, perfect.
Yep.
So there it is. Now we just gotta bolt it in. We brought the car down a little bit. So could you explain what we're doing here?
Yeah. So the reason why I lift this is when I tighten this up, it'll get tightened to when the car is loaded. So when this is up, basically, this right here, you're supposed to tighten it. Once you lift the car,
that weight comes off of it when you're lifting the car, right?
No. The reason why I do that is so the rubber inside don't get twisted. I put load on the front. So look, I put load on it, so when the car goes up, it doesn't twist the rubber.
Alright,
that's it.
Alright guys, so that car just started right there, and we can't hear anything at all. So we apologize about that. The Camaro is super loud. We couldn't even hear the man talk at all. So we're done with one side. Now we're getting the other side done. So the piece is all out. It's right here. Just gonna go with the rest of the crap. We're not gonna use it anymore. New piece, same thing happening to this side. So now this side is gonna come down. We're basically gonna do what we did to the other side. So this side is all done, and now we're lifting the car back up to finish the rest of all these. There isn't too much left anyways.
I know, I'm saying, did
I'm gonna
they
get these on.
They did on the Dodge Ram. They finally made it a 6 log, yeah? 5127 still? I did that 5127.
Now we're getting Alright guys, so it's almost getting done, but I have something for the subscribers. So if you guys want anything from Steeda, any products, okay, now we can. Any products you guys want from Steeda, I have a discount code. It's MotorTube10. You will get 10% off. I'll leave a link of their website and also the code in the description as well. I'll put it up on the screen as well. So make sure you guys check out Steeda and use my discount code MotorTube10 to get 10% off. And now let's get back to the install.
When you put this bushing right here, now bring your camera over. It goes right in that hole, and it prevents the whole subframe from going back and forth. So this will basically center it.
Okay.
This goes here. It's a very tight fit, and it prevents it from going back and forth when you launch the car.
Alright guys, so the car is all done. Let me show you guys real quick before we put it down. Alright, so we got this part done. This part done. It's right here. This whole entire piece. All this is right here. Okay. This and this. Shout out to Rames for hooking it up. Now we're basically gonna have to put the wheels, and we're gonna need an alignment because of these adjustable things right there. Right there. So now it's coming down. Boom. We're all done. I'm gonna take stock stuff with me, obviously. I think that's all. All the other stuff is garbage. And just bam. We're all done, ladies and gentlemen. Woo. Looking good. So we pretty much got all the parts installed, but we're not done just yet. We need to go get an alignment because obviously it needs it now, and then that'll be a wrap for today's video. So let's hop in the car and go get an alignment. So right now they're getting in the car and taking it in there. Alright guys, so I just picked up the car, came here to get some E85. I'm going to show you guys something real quick. So here's the before for the alignment. As you can see, it's off in the back. I'm going to show you guys the after now. See? Everything looks good. And we're all done. Sorry for my cracked screen protector. Alright guys, so I'm finally back home. You guys basically seen the entire process. And also, if you want anything from Steeda, I have a code for you guys to take 10% off. It is MotorTube10. Make sure you go use it. Get a little discount and enjoy your parts. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, make sure you're subscribed to show your support, and also make sure to follow my social media. It's right there in the corner, and I will see you guys on the next video. New parts came in today, so stay tuned for the next mod. Peace out.